Since the Wright brothers completed their first manned-powered flight in 1903, humankind has continued to make advancements in the fields of aviation and aerospace. Not only have we landed humans on the moon, but also we can fly at hypersonic speeds, carry large number of passengers and cargo around the world at increasing speeds. We've even learned to send rovers to Mars. We can take off from short runways and even land vertically. Power planes by the sun, transport packages, food and other goods with drones. What once was just science fiction is now becoming reality. These are some aircrafts of today and tomorrow. Helicopter is an aircraft whose lift and thrust are supplied by the rotors. This allows for the aircraft to take off and land vertically, hover, fly backwards, forward, and even sideways. Helicopters are great to fly in congested areas and are used for many purposes including transportation, military, construction, firefighting, and search and rescue. Helicopters have also been used as tourism or medical transport, law enforcement, agriculture, news and media, and aerial observation. Solar-powered aircrafts. This Swiss project, known as the Solar Impulse, is an aircraft that flies using only solar power. The aircraft was designed with the goal of bringing attention to the use of clean, renewable energy sources such as the sun, wind, and water. High-altitude balloons, or hot air balloons, flying at altitudes of 11 to 16 miles high are being used to provide internet access to rural and remote areas across the globe. The solar-powered balloons rise in the stratosphere above commercial airplanes and transmit internet signals to ground stations, homes, and personal devices. Jet suits. Gravity Industries, a company in the United Kingdom, invented a jet suit that can make you fly like a superhero. The jet suit consists of 5 small turbine engines, 2 worn on each arm and 1 on the back. It produces more than 1,000 horsepower and can fly for up to 8 minutes at a speed of approximately 32 miles an hour. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, known as UAVs, commonly known as drones, are used by the military and many other civilian industries and projects. They are used for industrial, commercial, and recreational purposes. Intelligence Surveillance and Reconnaissance, ISR. For decades, the military need for safe and completely undetected systems of intelligence and surveillance has led to the development of cutting-edge aircraft. The defense industry, including Lockheed Martin, continues to innovate with manned and unmanned aerial systems. Tiny drones. Researchers are developing tiny flying robots inspired by bee biology. The mini robots have smart sensors that mimic the eyes and antennae of a bee and are able to quickly respond to changes in their environment. The tiny bots can be used for search and rescue, surveillance, or artificial pollination. Self-driving passenger drone. As we go into the future, what other flying machines do you envision will be invented? Even though their early use was mainly by the military, the use of unmanned aerial vehicles has truly taken off and expanded to many facets of life. The need for drone experts is on the rise across a wide range of industries. Engineers, programmers, pilots, and photographers are among the numerous careers related to the development and operation of drones. So how are drones used? Our military is using drones, or unmanned aerial systems known as UAS. They're used for surveillance and territory patrol. Drones like this are used for humanitarian aid and disaster relief. They can be used to locate victims, assess damage, and deliver aid where needed. Farmers use drones in agriculture to gather data. They automate repetitive processes and improve overall efficiency. Drones may also be used for weather forecasting. They can be used to collect data, help study the climate, and better predict future changes to global weather systems. Drones have also been used in infrastructure inspection. They collect data about the infrastructure for fossil fuels extraction, refining and transport, wind turbines, solar panels, electric towers, and mining. These help to ensure systems are operational and safe. Drones have even been used in urban planning. They are used to survey a city and better understand its rhythms and flows, allowing for planners to help implement data-driven improvements to that area. Drones have been used for delivery. They can deliver packages within buildings, which are factories, warehouses, and even hospitals, and this will happen all across major cities. Drones have been used for photography. They are used for a wide range of needs, such as creating maps, rendering 3D objects, virtually touring real estate, covering sports and news, creating art, cinematography, and even entertainment. NASA is even using drones in its space exploration. They added drone-like helicopters to its missions to help it look for signs of life on Mars. The drone can gather data about the planet's terrain and survey areas where a Mars rover cannot reach. Archaeologists have found a need for drones as well. They use the artificial intelligence software that helps analyze high-resolution images taken by drones to find and study archaeological sites. Now, these are just a few ways that drones are now being used in our current society.